In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on Shopify from Klaviyo. We'll start inside your Klaviyo account. On the left-hand panel, look for the website section. Click it to expand the menu and then select Sign Up Forms. At the top right, click Create Form. You'll see a gallery of templates. Before choosing one, go to the form style filter at the top, click it, and from the drop-down, select Embed. This narrows the options down to only embedded forms. Pick a template you like. A drawer will slide open on the right where you can give your form a clear name and choose which email subscriber list new signups will be added to. Once that's set, click Create Form. This will open the form editor. On the left, you'll see all your editing and styling controls, and on the right is a live preview of your form. Along the top are tabs for the different steps of the form, such as the main form and a success message. On the left sidebar, you'll see several key sections. If you click Styles, you can customize the overall look and feel. Here you can adjust the form type, add or change a side image, update the background, tweak general form styles, and control text, headings, link styles, and all the input fields, including their text and borders. You can also adjust the close icon if your design includes one. When you're done there, click the back icon at the top of the left sidebar. Next, if you click Targeting and Behavior, you'll find two tabs. Under the Display tab, you'll see the Embed code area, options to enable lead capture with your shop, device settings to control where the form appears, and custom trigger options. Under the Targeting tab, you can fine-tune who sees the form by adjusting visitor conditions, URLs, location, UTM parameters, and cart content. When you're finished reviewing these, click the back icon again. You'll also see an ad block option in the left sidebar. This lets you insert additional elements such as input fields and phone number fields into your form. To edit any specific block in a form step, simply click it directly in the preview. Its editing and styling options will open on the left, so you can adjust text, layout, and design. You can switch between form steps using the tabs at the top to make sure each step looks the way you want. Once you're happy with your form, click Publish in the top right, and then confirm by clicking Publish Anyway. Wait for the page to reload. When it does, you'll see the embed code. Highlight and copy this code. We'll use it inside Shopify. Now head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and log in. On the left-hand panel, click Online Store. You'll see your current theme at the top. Click Customize to open the theme editor. In the leftmost panel, look for App Embeds. Open that and make sure the Klaviyo on-site JavaScript is enabled. This is what allows the embedded form to function correctly. Then click back to return to the main sections view. Choose the part of your page where you want the form to appear. Click Add Section in that area. In the panel that opens, go to the Apps tab and select the Klaviyo Embedded Form option. You'll see a field labeled something like Embedded Form ID. Paste the embed code you copied from Klaviyo into this field. Give Shopify a moment to load the preview. You should now see your Klaviyo form appear right in the live theme preview in the spot you selected. Take a quick look to confirm it matches your design and positioning. When everything looks good, go to the top right and click Save. Your embedded Klaviyo form is now live on your Shopify store and ready to capture subscribers.